This is a review of the beach style t-shirt that we're going to be doing a review on, in which the brand sent me out this product as a gift that we were going to be putting this to a test to. And in this review, we are going to go show you guys the comfortability and everything about this t-shirt. So without going any further, let's go more in depth and show you guys more about it. Alright, so here's the in-depth tour about this Beach Vibes summer t-shirt, and I do want to talk about the specs. So this is a size medium, the color's an apricot color, so it looks really nice. I'm about 5 feet 10 inches and 165 pounds, and you can see it's really spacious, this t-shirt right over here. Enough room right over here on the arms as well. And what we're going to do now is that we're going to do a walk around to show you guys the front and the back view of this t-shirt. And just like that, I would definitely recommend this t-shirt. It is made of 100% cotton material as well. And you could complement with the chain, you could complement with the hat, and best of all, to give the summer and beach vibes, you could just pair it up with the sunglasses as well too. And right over here, you can see Hawaii and the beach right over here gives that vibes right there. So if you're looking for a t-shirt to wear for like a summer vibes and a beach t-shirt, then this one right over here is by far one of the best t-shirts to get, and I would definitely recommend this product.